The Basque alphabet is almost like the English one. In this video, I'm going to go through the Basque alphabet with some basic examples so you can get a feel for how the letters sound. I have other videos for more technical pronunciation and letter combinations, so check those out after watching this. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Berserk. These are the names and approximate sounds of the letters in Standard Basque. But remember, each dialect and individual speaker may not pronounce things according to the standard. It'll also help you if you practice pronouncing these as well. A, ama, ala, belar, olatua. B, vai, bost, gabe, club. C, campus, rock. Normally C is like a hard K sound, but you may see a tail on the end of it, which sounds like a S. This is called a cedilla. Curaçao. D, diru, da, eder, ondo. E, edan, eser, veso, talde. F, familia, favore, affari, surf. G, gaur, ongi, igo, egun. H, andi or handi, lehen or lehen, astu or ahastu. I, isan, ichi, iri, berri. Yota, Joan or Juan, erloju or erloju, yakin or hakin. Ka, kale, ke, leku, baisik. Ele, lagun, lore, alaba, il. M, mai, mutil, amar, film. N, neska, nor, une, esin. You may also see an N with a tilde on top of it, which is enye. Nyabar, nyu, irinyo. O, oe, ogi, lo, baño. P, pishka, patata, aupa, clip. Q, Quebec. R, iru, pare, arropa, barre. S, sael, sagar, así, a dos. T, talde, toki, aratoi, bat. U, ume, uste, buru. You may also see U written with diacritics or the little dots over the top. This is found especially in the Suberoa or Suletan dialect. V, vodka, nirvana. V, bikoitza, uifi, web, cowboy. Isha, serra, sede, gosho, fax, taxi. Y, yoga, yankee, hobby. Zeta, sopa, sail, esur, apais. That's it! But wait, there's more! Letters can change sound if they're combined with certain other letters. To get a better understanding of how these letters work alongside others, watch my letter combo video and my diphthong video. Thanks for watching! Agur!